Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the specific performance engineering water-to-air intercooler for all you 3-liter Duramax guys. Let's talk about applications real quick. This is going to cover 2020 to 2022 Silverado 1500s with the 3-liter Duramaxes. Now for you SUV guys, this is going to be 2021 to 2022. That's going to cover the Suburbans, the Tahoes, the Yukon, Escalade, all that kind of stuff. Basically any of the SUV line is going to be 2021 to 2022 at the time of this video that we're filming it, which is 2022. It may very well carry on later and furthermore years. Make sure you check the listing to see when the year range is actually good till. Now, let's talk about the goods, because this is a very interesting part. PPE went back to the drawing board and thought, well, what can we do to make this LM2 work a heck of a lot better? And they figured it out. Well, the factory water-to-air intercooler, which basically sits right there on the top of your engine, is a major choke point. And they decided to alleviate that choke point and made something nearly 2.4 times the size of the stock unit. That's right. It's huge. When you get the stock unit compared to this one, it makes you wonder what the heck GM was thinking when they did this. But to accomplish this, they had to make this bracket right here, which is, in my opinion, that's the best part of the entire kit. Don't get me wrong, this looks great, it's a great performing part, but the fact that they went back to the drawing board and remade the entire mounting bracket to accommodate a 2.4 times larger intercooler is amazing. That's one of the reasons why I love PPE. And also, it comes with everything you see here. Because this kit is larger, the water-air intercooler is larger itself. It does get rid of that turbo resonator in there. So if you already bought the turbo resonator delete, no big deal. This comes with the right one to fit. Comes with all the coolant hoses. It's even got a nice bleed screw on top, so you can get the coolant bled properly. Stainless steel hoses and clamps, isolators. It's going to make this thing just run fantastic. We did see them at SEMA, and they were talking about some pretty incredible mileage increases. They haven't actually been put on their listing yet. However, this is actually going to be going on a truck that we have on staff here at Diesel Power Products. So we are hoping to get some real world mileage numbers, which you can always check out on our shop update videos. We will get back to you there and let you know what we find. But as far as this kit, comes with everything you see here, very well put together. And it does actually come in a couple of different colors. You can get it in raw, black like you see here, blue, or red. And the reason they offer those colors, again, is because this sits right on top, right on the middle of that engine, and actually gets rid of that factory plastic cover on top. So as soon as you pop that hood, you're going to see this big old beautiful intercooler sitting right there staring at your face saying, I love my truck and I love power, which that's okay in my book. Let's talk about how this intercooler is actually going to help your truck run better. You're going to drop charge air temperature by over 30 degrees compared to the factory intercooler. That's huge. You're also going to reduce back pressure. Back pressure is a killer on diesels. You want to get the air in, get the air out. Because it does a better job at cooling the air, you're going to get a denser charge of air going into the engine, which we all know, denser air is cooler air. Also, as with any sort of intercooler, you do see an air pressure drop from inlet and outlet. This actually reduces that drop by 17% compared to the stock water-to-air intercooler and lowers your intake air temperature. So what does all that mean? It means that your truck's going to work a heck of a lot better, and you're going to see lower EGTs, which means you have more usable power. And chances are, if your engine's not having to work as hard and it's able to make power easier, you're going to get better fuel economy, which is always a plus. If you have any questions on this or want to get something going for your truck, give us a call. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, ready to give you the best tech support in the industry. You can also email us, go on the social medias, whatever works best for you. We are here to give you, again, the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.